Looks like Google is going bold with the Pixel 10's design, and it starts with the colors. A new leak from Mystic Leaks has revealed all the upcoming shades for the Pixel 10 series, and they are nothing like last year's. Let's start with the base Pixel 10. According to the leak, it'll be available in Obsidian, Blue, Iris, and a brand new color called Limoncello, a yellow shade inspired by the famous Italian lemon liqueur. Google's going fruity again. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro and 10 Pro XL will stick with more subtle tones: Obsidian, Green, Sterling, and Porcelain. It's a mix of modern and classy, dropping the pastels like peony and rose quartz from the Pixel 9 series. So far, only Obsidian is making a return across the board. Now, apart from the colors, the Pixel 10 lineup is expected to feature Google's brand new Tensor G5 chip, improved battery life, and some camera tweaks. But don't expect a dramatic redesign. Early leaks suggest it'll look a lot like the Pixel 9 series. Price-wise, the Pixel 10 could land around 80,000 Indian rupees in India, keeping it in premium flagship territory. Google is expected to announce the entire lineup, Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL, later this year, possibly around August or October. That's in line with the Pixel 8 and 9 launch timelines. So, what do you think of the new colors? Is Limoncello a hit or a miss? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more Pixel 10 leaks and updates, hit that follow button.